Hi guys, it's finally morning over here, and we're gonna try and see if we can see the sunset, because where we are currently, that was the sunset point, not the sunrise point. So yeah, let's see. We do see a good walk going in. I've met two good friends. Hey guys.
Hey,
Hi.
hi.
That's Rajan, right?
Yeah.
And that's Shivam right there. Yeah. Seems like a peaceful walk. Let's see. Now that the place has been lit up, it feels quite nice, and people are, like as I mentioned before also, people are doing their exercises. It feels lovely. We were all discussing this only, that people who live here, they're actually living the life, right? So it's kind of annoying to see them just enjoy. It's like an ideal life. You have a perfect weather, you have the perfect place. It is clean also. One thing which I've noticed over here is that it's pretty clean. So kudos to the people living here. It looks really nice. It's a cute doggo who is guarding the place, I think. He was the caretaker as well. So yeah, my two friends, they rented a scooty yesterday. So they arrived over here late night yesterday, and we have planned to go eat something right now for breakfast. And since like only two people can be on a scooty, I'm gonna be walking to the areas where we could grab something to eat. They'll be joining me in there at the place. So yeah, I'm basically going back from where I came. Not much to say right now, but yeah, I just thought I would just vlog along the way. I knew I have to just walk, right? Slowly all the shops are opening up. Hi guys, so I'm heading towards my stay, which is the coffee park, and we are literally in like a coffee plantation zone, and the auto driver just left me a few blocks back because the auto just literally can't go inside over here. Let me just show you around. It's like a lovely place. Wow, I'm actually like in the plantation area, I think. This is dreamy, this place. Damn. Wow. This is literally heaven. Like, I'd been wondering if I could ever go to a place where there were no people and I could just stare at the scenic beauty of nature. And this is it. Damn. It's so peaceful here. Like, this might actually be one of my best experiences so far on a trip. Like, I'm literally in the middle of heaven. So good, man. Unbelievable. Wow. Hi everyone, so it's around 12:30 over here right now, and it's quite sunny. It's just got freshened up, and I'm probably gonna head back to the city, and I'm gonna visit the fort and a few other places nearby. We'll probably do the falls later. Yeah. Hi guys, so I'm currently at the Madikeri fort right now, and I see a museum also over here. It is quite sunny right now, so let's see, where should I go first, museum or the fort? I think the museum is really close by, so yeah, I'll head up to there. Yeah, hi guys, so I just went to the museum. It was pretty good, you know, like it just costed me 10 rupees. I don't know why I found it more informative than the other museums I've been to. Like, there have been whole palaces of museums, yet I found this one more interesting for some reason. I don't know why. Let's head to the fort now. So yeah guys, that's the temple right here. I don't know why it's too quiet in this whole place. Everywhere I go, it's generally quiet, except the market area, I think, yeah. But still, like, isn't nobody interested to visit the temple? Anyway, I might have to search for the entrance. Okay. Apparently the temple is open around 5 p.m. and it's just 3 over here right now. I don't think I'm gonna wait for 2 hours over here. Let's just do the temple from here, I think. It's a good temple. I don't know what to do. I literally have no clue what I'm gonna do over here. Hi guys, I'm finally back. I got really tired. Today was not too much fun traveling here, even though my stay is lovely, but I don't know, it was too sunny. I got really tired, just, you know, because it's a hilly area, you have to keep climbing and descending. So overall, I don't know what to think about today. I'm just gonna go chill in my room. I think I've had enough for today, so I look forward to tomorrow. Might do a lot of things tomorrow. That also depends if my legs are fine. So yeah.